In this video, I will show you how to properly attach and detach a lens on your Canon camera. Many beginners struggle with this or risk damaging their equipment. So let's walk through it step by step. First, remove the camera body cap by twisting it counterclockwise. Next, remove the rear lens cap the same way. Always keep your sensor and lens elements protected from dust. To attach the lens, locate the red alignment dot on the lens and match with the red dot on the camera mount. Once aligned, twist the lens clockwise until it clicks securely into place. You can now remove the front lens cap and your camera is ready to use. To remove the lens, press and hold the lens release button on the side of the camera body. While holding the button, twist the lens counterclockwise and pull it off. Replace the protective caps on both the lens and the camera body when stored. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tutorials.